National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for north-central Harrison County in northeast Texas, south-central Marion County in northeast Texas, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time at 9:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 11 miles west of Jefferson, or 20 miles northwest of Marshall, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Woodlawn. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive straight-line winds.